Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Hebrews 11 and verse 1.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is difficult. Let go. I don't know why you.
Hey Royals, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another collaboration video from UNice hair company on Amazon. So a bit about this gorgeous burgundy unit. This is their 13x4 150% density Jerrycurly unit. So I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below. It is giving Ariel the mermaid vibes, which I'm definitely here for. This unit, it's less than $200 US. Definitely a must-have unit for the upcoming holiday season by the grace of God. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous burgundy unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet, and let's jump right into the installation process of this gorgeous Burgundy Jerrycurly unit from UNice hair company. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with UNice hair company on Amazon. So they sent me over their 24-inch 150% density Jerrycurly burgundy unit. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies as well. I received their UNice pink robe along with a pair of eyelashes, a velcro hairband. I also received a makeup brush and a pair of stocking cap. So a bit about this unit. This is their 13x4 lace frontal unit, and this wig did come pre-plucked. And a bit about the inside cap construction. It has two combs on each side, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well. So I did went in to pre-pluck the hair a little bit more. So let's jump right into the installation process of this gorgeous burgundy unit from UNice hair company. Hey Royals, welcome back. So I'm back again with another wig collaboration video with UNice hair company, and this unit is from UNice hair company on Amazon. They sent me over their 24-inch burgundy Jerrycurly unit. So this is the unit right here. It is said to be 150% density, but as you guys could see, it's more on 130% density. So it's a 13x4 lace frontal unit, as you guys. I did went ahead to damp the hair. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to cut off the lace to the back and jump right into the installation process. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace. So I'm going to be using my black opal foundation in the shade ebony. I'm going to be using this to tint the lace. So I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 just to perfect the front portion of this lace before I begin the gluing process. So I'm going to be using my Kiss Almighty glue today, and I'm going to be applying 2 layers. So once I'm done laying this unit, I'm going in with my Velcro band just to melt the lace a little bit more. So now I'm going to be working on my parting space. So I decided to do a middle part. So once the lace has been melted, I'm going to be working on cutting off the extra lace to the front portion using my razor comb. And to further melt this lace, I'm going in with my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz just to set the front portion to give it an extra hold. And I also use the Fantasia Spritz to the top portion to make sure that the top is as sleek as possible. So now I'm going in with my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fun to perfect the parting space, and I also use that to the front portion. So now I'm going to be working on my baby hair. So to lay my edges today, I'm going in with my Holy Grail My Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk. So once I'm done perfecting the top portion of my edges, I'm going back over with my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz, and I'm just going to be working on my sideburns now. So I'm just going to section out the hair, cut that down with my razor comb, and go in with my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk just to further finish laying my edges. So now I'm just going to go in with my Isoplus hair sheen to add a bit of shine and luster to the top portion. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 just to further perfect the parting space on this unit. So once I'm done working on my parting space, I'm just going to define the curls on this unit by using my water and my VO5 conditioner. So once I'm done, I'm going in with my Isoplus hair sheen just to conclude everything. So that is the end result of this Burgundy Jerrycurly unit from UNice Hair Company. So until next time, God bless. So you guys, this is the end result of this gorgeous Burgundy 24-inch unit from UNice Hair Company. Is everything, and with the upcoming Christmas season, by the grace of God, this is a perfect color to celebrate the holidays, and it retails for $196.70 on their page on Amazon, and I received the minimal to little shredding. A downside about this unit, it is said to be 150% density, but it's more on the thinner side. If you don't like your wigs thick, this unit would be perfect for you. So I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below for this gorgeous unit from UNice Hair Company. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.